In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to automate sending bulk emails in Gmail using Google Apps Script. So Google Apps Script is some code, some JavaScript code that allows you to automate functions in a Google spreadsheet or in Google products. One of the first things we have to do is to create an email template. We've opened Gmail and we're going to create an email template. And to create this template, what we're actually going to do is put some variables here. And you'll see where these variables are coming from in a short while. Okay, so I created my email template and that draft is saved. This will be important in a short while and you'll see why I've done what I've done. The next thing we want to do is to actually download the app script. So I want you to go to the description of this video and visit this link. It will take you to this website in the Google documentation. And I want you to make a copy. What it will actually open is this. And when you click make a copy, it will open a file just like this. And this is the template you need to use to send your automation. You can change everything but the email sent and the recipient. Those are the two things that need to be there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this. I'm going to delete this column and delete this column. So you can see here I have the first name, last name, recipient, description, email sent, which is fine. And what I'm going to do is to add my email there. What I do need to do is change this to be exactly the same as my variable in my email. So if I show you the email again, I have first name, capital F, capital N. I need that the same, capital F, capital N. We have recipient, description, email sent. So you probably won't see this mail merge option here on yours, but if we go back to the Google documentation, when you click make a copy, if we go back to the Google documentation, when you click make a copy, as we will do here, it will take you to this. And when you click view app script file, it will take you to this. You then want to click run. It will ask you to review permissions. You want to give it permissions to send these emails on your behalf. Once you do that, you will then see this mail merge option in your Google spreadsheets. The next thing you want to do is go to mail merge. You want to go to send emails. It will then ask for permission if you haven't done so already. So we go to mail merge, send emails. It's going to ask to run the script. And what we want to do is go back to our email. We want to go to my email automation, copy that, paste that, and then click OK. And now we can see it's running the script. And now the script's finished. When we go to our email, we can now see it's sent the email as we planned it to. What you can see is hello Jane, discount on Google Cloud Books. Thank you, Dominic. When we go back to our spreadsheet, what you can see is the first name's Jane. That was the variable first name that we used. The recipient variable here is taken my email, and the description variable was used here, and we can see that it is logged the date that it was actually sent.